people, this is it. New installation solar system, 8,000 kilowatt solar system. You get me? Some do the control. So people, that are the existing panel for the building. That's the panel that them electrician did. So that is the panel that we're going to bring our solar power into. So this is our little area right here. So we have our midnight breaker box. We have our 8,000 kilowatt inverter, grid tie, and we have a 10K battery right here. Right? So these are the for the PV wire, which is the panels, and down here they have a transfer switch. So the power company JPS will be coming straight into our inverter right here. See, show you grid and generator and load. So the load from our solar, from our inverter, will be going here, going into this panel over here, and the JPS from this panel will be coming out from that panel to come here, right? And if we want, we can bring the generator to come here, because this inverter does everything, right? And our battery, this is our battery terminal, and it leave here, it come here, and then it come down in this box, and this is our battery breaker right here. So we can actually shut down our battery. That is a 250 amp breaker, and these are PV wires, right? We're coming down into from our solar panel into that breaker, so we can actually shut down our PV, right? And then it goes over here. These are our lightning arrestor, our protection from our for our PV, our panels, right? So they connect here. These going directly, one going on one breaker and the other two is going on the other breaker, right? Because we have two sets of PV wire coming down, which is 4 wire, 2 negative, 2 positive, right? And then this is it, people. This is it. I'll give you a finished look, a finished viewed of what it look when it completed. Yes.